Today we will see the case of grade 6 baldness. The age is like he is quite young, like 24, and you can understand कि at the age of 24, 24 साल में अगर grade 6 baldness हो तो what exactly the life is. The real thing is we are facing. We need to finish this surgery in one setting. So for that we need a huge number of grafts. Okay, approximately 5 plus. Okay, and but the good thing is that in this case the donor area was good and healthy, and the follicle quality, or you can say the graft quality, they are also excellent. So what we plan here, we just make the hairline which is suitable as per his face. Second thing, we fashion this hairline as per the age also, and then whenever we perform the transplantation on the scalp, at that time we use the crisscross method so that the density will be look more. So crisscross method से होता क्या है कि 5000 ग्राफ्ट में अगर तुम्हें होल लाइक ग्रेड 6 अगर आपको कवर अप करना है तो इस मेथड से क्या होता है, डेंसिटी जो प्रॉब्लम है तो डेंसिटी प्रॉब्लम आपका सॉल्व हो जाए. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट योर व्हाट वी डिड, and then we almost cover up to like 70 to 80%, and the rest of the crown part जहाँ पर थोड़ा सा hair है, at that time what we did, we are just like doing the PRP. He is also a good follower. He follow all the whatever the instruction we are giving, medications. Now this is the 4 month. So thank you very much for coming. Thank you.